This JMP demonstration shows how to make a scatter plot. We're using the car physical data from JMP's sample data folder. A scatter plot displays the relationship between two continuous variables. To create one, go to Graph, Graph Builder. Place a continuous variable on the x-axis and another on the y-axis. By default, JMP will display a scatter plot along with the smoother, a curve that captures the general trend in the data. You can remove the smoother by deselecting its icon in the palette at the top of the window. If you'd like to include a linear regression line in your graph, just select the line of fit icon next to the smoother icon. Optional properties for both the scatter plot points, and in this case the line of fit, are available at the bottom left of the window. You can add additional variables to the graph with the group X, group Y, wrap, overlay, or color drop zones. Here, we'll add country to the overlay drop zone to explore whether the relationship between horsepower and displacement varies by country. Note that we've just used Graph Builder here, but you also can produce scatter plots and associated statistical analyses using Fit Y by X under the Analyze menu.